everyone, welcome to SUNYA IAS. Guys, today in this video we are going to launch a new course, that is Prelims Crash Course for UPSC CSC 2023 aspirants. This course is going to be very useful for your preparation for your prelims for 2023. As always, SUNYA IAS courses have some very unique features, and this course is also having the same kind of a feel to it, very unique features. We will be discussing that in this small video. I will tell you about the course features and the course components. So let's get started. First, we will talk about the main features of the course. Okay, these video courses that you are getting, video lectures that you're getting in the course, are going to be highly relevant and very exam oriented. Right, when I say exam oriented, we have done a very intensive research of the PYQs and other components of the other reference books, and the courses are created after studying all these things in detail. So they are very relevant, very exam oriented. They are also high yielding. What do we mean by high yielding? The number of hours that you spend for a subject or a topic and the number of marks you score in the exam, this ratio is going to be on a positive side for sure. When I say to the point crash courses, these crash courses are going to be very much focused on only the important things and the syllabus. No extra information or no extra words will be used in the videos which are not important for your UPSC examination. So these are very highly relevant, high yielding courses and to the point crash courses. These are our main features. Now let's talk about the unique components of the course. Okay, so the first, I'll just sum up the 4 components here and then we will discuss about those in our upcoming slides. You will get access to video courses for 2023. The access will be given in December. Okay, the second component is you are getting complimentary access to video crash courses of 2022, which have been very useful for the aspirants for their 2022 preliminary exams. Okay, the third component is we will be giving you static notes, or we will be giving you PPTs used by the faculties for your quicker revision. So let's get started and look at these things in detail. Also, the one of the features we have is all these courses will be delivered in English. Okay, all the faculties are very proficient in English and they will be using English language exclusively so that the English medium students can benefit and make the most out of the courses. Now, here I am going to give you a breakup of how you're going to study. So till December, okay, till December we will give you access to our crash courses of 2022, which have been very instrumental for a lot of people for clearing their prelims 2022. Okay, these courses are very finely crafted. Say for example, we have covered entire ancient history in 10 hours. Right, so in one day you can finish your ancient history revision, then you can go on to your other subjects. So all the subjects are recorded as per their relevance, how many questions are coming up. According to it, the hours and the weightage is given to every subject. Right, now after December, okay, in December, not after December, in December we will be providing you crash courses for 2023. Okay, the same teachers will be recording the courses again for you, and these courses for 2023 will be very much in line with your 2023 prelims. Now when I say, what do I mean that? These lectures that you have watched in 2022 will be upgraded in terms of static plus in terms of current affairs. So upgraded and updated lectures you can go through. So how we are going to study? We are going to look at the crash courses of 2022. We are going to get on to our revisions, multiple revisions we're supposed to do, and again with the 2023 crash courses coming up in December, we are going to master every subject because we have been revising it pretty soon. Now these are some of the testimonials from our 2022 crash courses, right? They are testimonials for various teachers, for various subjects, from students across the country. If you want to read them in detail, you can pause the video and read them. These are the same. Now we are going to give you access to static notes and the PPTs. Now when I say static notes, these notes are made from various sources, and they are very comprehensive and very concise at the same time. So once you have the short notes which are very concise, what happens is you can save time, right? By saving time, you can do multiple revisions. When you do multiple revisions, you can remember the facts very easily. You get clarity of concepts. Okay. And when you have both of these, you are getting good at, better at application of these two in your questions, because UPSC preliminary exams, the MCQs that are being asked these days are very much based on application of your knowledge, right? So once you do a lot of revisions, once you watch the 2022 courses, you update it with the 2023 courses, it is going to be very, very, very helpful, and this course is going to be instrumental for you in clearing your 2023 preliminary examination. So guys, thank you very much. This is it from our side. I'll again sum it up. You will be getting video crash courses for 2023. Okay, crash courses excess of 2022 lectures. So here you're building a base, you're getting notes to revise or PPTs, and in December you are getting updated and upgraded lectures which will help you strengthen your knowledge base, right? So thank you very much guys. Hope to see you in this classes soon. Thank you.